How to stop automatic tabs opening in Google Chrome. So if you open the Google Chrome and the tabs keep opening, then how do you fix that? So simply go to your Chrome and then go to the three vertical dots over here. Now then you need to go to your settings. Tap on settings. After that, simply tap on startup icon right over here. Now here you'll find these three options. You can easily customize that suits you. So if you want to tap on continue where you left off, when you open the Chrome, there will be a restore icon popping out right over here. And you can tap on the restore and you'll be back where you left. And here's also an option open a specific page or set of pages, and you can directly add a new page such as that you mostly use, such as YouTube or Facebook. You can directly write the URL such as www.com. So if you tap this and tap add, whenever you close the Chrome and open it, YouTube will automatically open. So you can easily add a list of apps that you work on daily. In this way, you can easily customize this feature, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy it, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.